right, you guys, we're gonna open this package, see what she sent me. Auntie Lisa, I really had to start purchasing some of your lip glosses and send you some samples of mine. I'm just, I'm in between jobs right now, so we're just gonna say that. But we are gonna open this up and see what she sent me. And this is the thing about memberships, you guys. It's really good to be a member on other YouTubers' channels because you get gifts and stuff and little cute packages and whatnot. Oh my goodness. This says, hold on, let me show y'all. Oh, it's a little pouch. That's cute. It says just a little something to say thank you for supporting Living Life with Lisa. And she gave us a quart. Period. And also it says, I am strong, I am beautiful, I am enough. LLWL squad. Period. She forgot to add the period at the end. But yes, that's what it says. And you open up, this is cute. I don't know where you got this from, Auntie Lisa. And a quick unboxing for y'all. So this that. And it looks like this. Oh, that's cute. That's so nice. Yes, I'm definitely going on the website and buying some stuff, whatever I get, some of the money. But until then, we're on a budget. So, thank you so much, Auntie Lisa. I love you. From Steph DIY Queen, period. I'm going to send her some lip glosses. I'm not even playing. I'm serious. I'm serious like that. I'm about that life. Oh, my goodness. All right, y'all. Whew. Go head over to Living Life with Lisa on the YouTube. Join her membership. She treats her members really well. And buy some stuff for her website. She sells lip glosses and all that. Period. And you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for future videos. Comment down below because I want to know. And your girl will be back with another one. Peace, love, and hair grease.